Senior Secondary School, and today the day 2 of my English spoken class, communication class, which is held by Vidya Bharati, and we have two great teams. Three wonderful girls are here, and we have conducted here a group discussions. The topic of group discussion is village life or city life. It means rural life and urban life. We have two wonderful captains, Miss Soumya and Miss Drishti, and the topic is which life is better, village life or city life. So, Soumya, what's your topic?
Our topic is rural life.
Okay, you can say that rural life is better than city life.
Yes, ma'am.
But we oppose them to say that city life is better than village life.
Okay, now, Soumya, break the ice and start this group discussion.
Life is much better than city life because there are no pollution. It is a very good place to live. There is a and meet with natural environment.
But in village we can't earn much money. And also village is not fully developed. Cities are developed and we can earn money.
So we can get education too, and we can get education from in villages like as the cities.
But from the people of villages, the people of cities are healthy because they get crops from villages, not in a city. And you also say that
In village life, we have a nice bonding with the family.
But at the end of the this time, the villagers always work under the city. Never done his own work.
they work for city, not under the city. They work for city.
But without villages, the city life is nothing. If there is no crop, what will you eat?
The cities people are also dependent on themselves. They work for themselves in industries. They teach the students to educate them.
So that point is,
But the environment of cities are very polluted,
which cause diseases.
Our today's government also doing work on this.
Not too much.
I know that not too much, but they were practicing to make it good, to make it well.
And the government has opened many hospitals for this type of disease.
And the city government
But
also
in-
provide village government many opportunities, like they open government schools in village, hospitals to which for some villages which do not have any medical care.
But in village, the people lives in village do not use very much chemicals, fertilizer, and from this they don't use, and they are very healthy. And instead of cities,
Apart of
people
that, people also die in village. They also need hospitals.
but they need hospital, not they need
And the cities provide the hospitals to the villagers. Cities government provide the hospitals to the villagers.
not cities government. There are separate government for both cities and villages.
But cities government is more better than village government.
And what about natural beauty?
There is only one government in all India that rule.
Yes.
But they are not.
Your point is very nice. You can speak.
What about natural beauty that only
We can do get in city life.
Pupils also travel for several countries to see only beauty. We know that. But also village has the dirtiness. Never only greenish. They has pox वगैरह, pock marks.
so what? It's like cities or
Girls get more opportunities than villages, and villages does not provide that opportunities to girls.
That's
Why?
wrong.
It's true.
That's wrong.
It's true.
Many village girls are also becoming so successful in their lives.
But come in the cities, not in the rural areas.
But cities
But
are
work for rural
They are from rural areas, but when they work, then they go to cities.
But they got their knowledge from village life.
Not at all. Village has no much education. Cities provide quality education to the students,
But
to the women.
But village provide basic knowledge.
Basic knowledge is also in books. And parents also tell the students to what is the natural beauty or all these things from the village.
Village provides simple life. And also culture, Indian culture. They promote Indian culture. What about cities? They will just pollute the environment and cause many problems.
Government also takes steps on this pollution and also supports the culture. The government of BJP supports the culture and split the culture all over the world. What about this?
BJP is not only in cities, BJP is also in villages.
We also vote for them.
But BJP is not doing much work as much as cities.
No, you are wrong because BJP make many roads,
Many factories
in villages.
and it provide education, better education in villages for the welfare of students.
But there is a point. In villages, some places does not allow women to work.
You are saying about some places, not total villages.
There is
But
still
many other
discrimination in
places.
villages. There is still discrimination in villages.
But in cities
But
also.
cities does not support this discrimination.
Pupils, many people in cities also tries to manipulate the women's.
Not at all. Government supports the slogan of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao is very good. Cities people also think about this and send their girls, daughters,
In international-
wives for work.
In place, but not in cities because the ratio or the percentage of the rape is much greater in cities as compared to village.
This is because only that in village they kill the girls in before the birth. So
They also do in cities like they also do in city because they go to hospital and abortion.
But this is wrong. Village people has very old mentality about girls. They kill girls on before the birth.
This is
About the past, not
Your
the
data is
present.
very old now.
No, villages also has orthodox families. They has orthodox thoughts. And
Cities also
Because they
consist
know
of
the environment of the village and know the thinking of a man, what they think about a girl. So they want to save their girls.
No, in village man is dominating women and suppress them. They has no right to suppress as a woman. I can say that.
But in cities, the divorce ratio is also greater.
Because not of their mentality.
Because
They
of
don't
their
want
mentality.
to be.
Because of their mentality.
They do domestic violence.
Or in cities, a man is married, but he also love another woman or girl. This is
Affairs
not
are
in
also
place.
there.
So in a village, a man never loved another woman.
But she also respect his wife.
Not at all. In
This is
village,
not true.
In village, the
Because
father-in-law
because-
and mother-in-law
Yeah, because of
always
this-
beat
because
his
of this-
daughter-in-law.
Because of this, he the
System is very poor in villages as compared to cities.
Dr. AJP Abdul Kalam is also from village, and he was a greatest scientist of India and all over the world.
But APJ Abdul Kalam firstly come in city to study. Not they.
No.
He can't study in village. His father also support him to go study in cities, not in village.
The mission Mars also was done in villages because of village pupils and the things that they get in village, and they also
The exporters in the mission Mars, mission Mangal, or another missions that conduct by any agencies वगैरह, this spare parts will come from another country. They export. Some parts come from village क्योंकि village is also the part of the India, not only for this missions, not for only cities. This is for all over India.
So if a village is not too much developed and not too much good, so why people come in city too? Why people come city to village come back in village in
Corona
phase?
All loves their family. They want to meet their
But
family.
also but they love in especially in corona phase,
But in the corona
not in
phase,
other phase.
So why they come from villages to cities?
But
Why?
I had a question. I asked a question from
Why
you.
they need?
First,
but now you
have to
tell
answer.
me, if villages are better than cities, the vaccine of corona is made in the cities, not in the villages.
But tested in the but tested over the people of villages.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have a wonderful, great group discussion with both the teams. They say that village life is good and they say that city life is. We have both the impact of both the life. Rural life is very good because we have get naturals, fruits, vegetables, and city life will provide employment. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have stopped this discussion. Jai Shri Ram. Hello everyone, I am Pooja Parashar and this is the last of our group discussions. We have two great teams of wonderful girls and first of all they give their introduction and after that they share their experience of this types of group discussions. Now first of all we can start.
My name is Anshi Gaur. I am from 10th B.
My name is Dimple Singh. I am from 10th A.
I am Drashya Agarwal from 10th D.
I am Madhvi Sharma from 10B.
I am Soumya Sharma from 9th E. I am Lavanya Mittal from 9th E.
Okay, thank you everyone. But please share your experience about this group discussion. How would you like to this group discussion? Can we conduct it again or not?
I like this group discussion too much and I want that this group discussion conduct again and again for better experience, for better knowledge of other topics.
I think this group discussion is very good. Because of this, we can break our hesitation and we can speak our opinions clearly and without any hesitation.
Okay, thank you Peter.
That was amazing, and I thought we will know about extra knowledge about this. Some students is hesitate to come on stage, debate with each other, but this help us to improve our vocabulary, to improve our self-confidence and improve us.
Very nice. Now,
This group discussions is very wonderful and it give me a new experience how to speak in front of anybody on about our topics related to anything, and this group discussions make me improving to speak English and in front of anybody. I am not hesitate.
good.
Thank you.
Very good. Now you, Soumya.
It is a very good experience which increase our knowledge about different ideas and we take our opinion in front of anybody. Thank you.
Okay. Now,
It was a fabulous experience as I got to know about many other things on that topic, and I feel now confident as to speak anything on the face of others.
okay. Thank you, beautiful girls, and please tell me this group discussion conduct again or not?
Yes!
Bye bye.